Hello, my name's Jessica, aka Head Jessica. Welcome to my cooking vlog. Today on the menu we have something very delicious that I want to cook up. For those who don't know, your Head Jessica, am actually a good chef. I will admit. I know how to eat. I know how to cook. I know how to cook. Today on the menu we have chicken fajitas with bacon. And I'm excited because I love chicken and I've mastered different recipes on how to make different chicken stuff. Today it's gonna be different. I'm adding a little ingredient called bacon to my concoction of fajita. So let's cross our fingers I don't mess this up. Let's get our ingredients. 1 onion, 3 pepper, 1 tomato. We might need 2 tomatoes, honestly. Depends how much we have going on. Bacon. I have bacon and chicken. So, first things first, I'm going to prep everything.
To prep, all you gotta do is just cut your ingredients into bite-sized pieces. I ended up just using 1 tomato for this this time, but yeah, just everything just bite-sized, and it's good. You're good. For the peppers, I ended up cutting them not long ways, but like short, almost in circles, because it keeps the spiciness. If you want your fajitas to be really spicy, I recommend cutting them like that. But if you don't like them being way too spicy, I recommend cutting them the peppers long ways. And I'm pretty sure these peppers are serranos. So if you don't know, now you know. And then for obviously the onion, you just cut it like fajita onion, I suppose. I'm not the best cutter of onions, so please do not judge me that much. I know it's bad. But anyways, please enjoy the rest of the video. Oh, just so y'all know, the chicken is also chicken breast. So, I don't know if I said that. Now I did. Okay, please enjoy.
For the bacon, we're going to cut it in half. This says it's hickory smoked, no sugar, uncured bacon. So, if that helps you. We're going to cut this in half. And we're probably only going to use half. Okay, for the chicken, what I usually do, I grab a chicken breast for my chicken fajitas. Where's my knife? Here it is. So what I'm going to do first is open it up. Oh, you can't really see what I'm doing. Yikes. It's okay. We're gonna open it up. We get our chicken breast, and we're gonna give it a quick wash in a second. And then we're gonna remove all these little fat right now. Oh, crap! I wish I had a better angle to show y'all how I do these. Okay, so basically, I don't know how good this angle is, but we're gonna work with it. So basically, after I wash them and remove all the fat, I put them in a paper towel and dry out all the moisture a little bit. We're eating fajitas, so we can't make them too thick, but not too small either. Okay, excuse the dog. First, we're gonna put some of this Cajun 2-step seasoning in there. Put a lot of that in there. We're gonna put some Cajun feelings. Next is some pepper, a little bit of pepper. Some lemon pepper seasoning. Since this has pepper in there, we're not gonna put that much in there. Garlic salt. This is gonna be like our salt and garlic. A little bit with this one. I usually do, since it is salt, this much, like on my palm of my hand. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of Italian seasoning in here. You might be like, Italian seasoning? Yeah, just a little bit though. Trust the process, okay? Just a little bit in there. Last thing, caldo de tomato con sabor de pollo. My Mexicanness needs this, so we're gonna do 1 scoop in there, 2 scoops, 3, 1 for each chicken breast we put in. And now what we do is we close this up, and now we're gonna moisturize. Moisturize. No, we're gonna mix it up, mix it up, mix. Fridge for 30 minutes. See you back in 30. We are cooking. It's actually 3:30 right now, so I left my chicken marinating for a little bit too long. But you know what? The more, the better. The more flavor, the more delicious, okay? Okay. First things first, we're gonna cook our beautiful bacon first. Trust the process. Bacon goes in first. Sizzle. And I'm just gonna use my tongs for most of this creation I'm doing. So let's start. Let's cook. Right now our bacon is cooking, and we're gonna keep it like this. We're gonna cut them in a little bit, but right now we want our, why does it look so, anyways, we want that grease in there. We're not gonna need all of it, but some of it, because we're gonna use that grease to cook our chicken. So right now we're gonna remove some of these bacons and start adding the chicken. We will remove the bacon. Drop the bacons, put it in here. Grab this little paper towel, and we're gonna remove some of this grease from the pan. Just 2 paper towels combined. However much grease it picks up, that's okay. Oh, might have been a little bit too much, but hey, it's okay. Right now we have a little bit of grease on here. Let's get the chicken. Oh!
After you add the chicken, you just move it around a little bit. Make sure you get a little bit of the bacon grease on the chicken. Just, move it around. Make sure it doesn't burn or anything. We're just moving it so all of them get evenly cooked and coated, I guess, and heated. If this makes any sense, I'm just moving it around and getting ready just to organize the chicken and make sure they all get cooked evenly. There we go. And the same time, I'm going to start cutting my bacon pieces so we can be prepared to add them later. But yes, right now, I'm just cutting my bacon pieces, as you can see. Beautiful cutting, Jessica. Beautiful showing. I recorded this on my iPad, so that's why it's not angled correctly. If I recorded this on my phone, it would have looked better. But at that time, I didn't have my phone because it was charging. I apologize. Next cooking video, I promise to record on my phone so it's easier. You can easily see everything. And hopefully by that time, I'll have a tripod where you can actually see everything. But yeah, cutting the bacon, and next shot will be how my chicken be looking.
Added the bacon, and the chicken was almost done. Almost. There's still a few pieces that are not it. Now I'm gonna add onions and the jalapenos. 1, 2, 3. So I just added the onions and jalapeno. Now we're gonna cover it up. I'm gonna leave it like this for about 1 minute. Right now it's 3:45. We're gonna leave it for a minute, and then we're gonna add our tomatoes. Ooh.
Add the tomato, you're just gonna include the tomato in and mix it together so everything just comes out tasting so good and delicious. Also, then you're gonna need to add this lid for how much, Jessica?
1 minute.
No, I will never let you go. There's a secret
And now for the grand reveal. Now we're gonna mix it a little bit. Time to taste test. grab one. Oh, probably should use my palms. Just slightly, like garlic, salt, pepper, a little bit of Cajun in there. It's so good. I'm gonna give some to my grandma because she will be like, this is delicioso. I think the onions are gonna be so good in the fajita. Oh, I'm so excited for the onions. I'm a huge onion girly. Onion rings, anything onions, on there. Okay. 10 out of 10 recommend. If you make it, tag me on TikTok or something. Delicioso.
Shawty's like a melody in my head. Shawty's like a melody in my head. Hello.